Welcome to Hinduism Question and Answer. Today's question is, when were we separated from God and why were we separated from God? And the answer is, we were never separated from God. We have always been separate from God. Now keep in mind that from one perspective, even now we are not separate from God because God is omnipresent and He pervades us. So what I mean by being separate from God is that we are unable to experience Him, even though He's right here. When did that state begin? In that way we are separate from God. We can't see Him, we can't know Him, we can speculate about Him, but we have no direct experience. So we are separate from Him. When were we separated from God? And why were we separated from God? The answer to this question is, we were never separated from God. It's not an event which happened, because that would indicate or suggest that at one point we were with God. In other words, we were God realized, or we were able to experience and know God, and then we were removed from that situation. We were separated from God, and we were made to live separate from God. According to the philosophy of Hinduism, such a thing never took place. We are right now under Maya. We're under the bondage of the material energy. So we're taking birth after birth, since eternity in this material world, which also has a cycle of creation and destruction, which never began and will never end. So our bondage, our cycle of birth and death, and our existence in the material realm never began. We were never kicked out of the divine realm and made to come and be under the bondage of Maya. This never took place, because once a soul is free from Maya and God realized, Maya can never have any effect on that soul again. So once you're God realized, that's forever. Which means that if you are not God realized today, if you are separate from God today, you have been separate from God since eternity. So we were never separated from God. Thus the question, why were we separated from God, never comes into being. We have always been separated from God, but that bondage, that material bondage and that separation from God does not need to exist for eternity more. We can end that bondage by becoming God realized, which is possible through following the path to God. Jai Shri Radhe.